Okay students, previously we identified terminating, non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating, not repeating decimals. From that rationals, irrationals identification we learnt. Now I am going to explain the method of converting decimals, decimal form. Every fraction can be written, keep this point in mind, every fraction can be written in the form of terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal. See this. Now I am giving on some rational numbers. These questions already there in our exercise 1.3 first Roman questions. I'll read the questions. Write the following decimal form. Write the following numbers in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansions. What kind of decimal expansions? He is giving some numbers. He is asking write in the decimal form and what type of decimal expansion it is. Now I am giving one question. First question is 36 by 100. 36 by 100. He is asking to change in the decimal form. He is asking to change in the decimal form. Afterwards, he is saying that, he is asking that what type of decimal expansion it is. That's it. 36 by 100, then we can easily write this is a 0.36. 0.36. Without doing division, we can write. Or else, but as we can't say directly, do division, do normal division and write the answer in the decimal form. Afterwards, give your answer. Now, what type of decimal expansion it is? The decimal portion, the decimal expansion is having one end point, 0.36. That's it. Then this is terminating decimal. What type of decimal it is? This decimal expansion is terminating decimal expansion. Terminating decimal. This is the first question. Next question I am going to explain, that is 1 by 11. This is the question, second question from textbook only. The question is 1 by 11. Like first question we can't say directly 1 by 11. Is asking what is the question. First you convert the number into decimal form. How? By doing division. Let us start. 1 is the numerator by 11. Already you know divisions. Here 0 point, this is 10. Okay, this is 10 is less than 11. Again, that means 0, 11s are 0, then 10. Already point is available, 100, 9. This is 11, this is 100, 9, 11s are 99, subtract. Again 1, again 1, then keep a point, 10, again less, 10 is less than 11, 0, 11s are 0, then 10 again, already point is available, can we place one more 0, 100, 9, 99, then again 1 is continued like this. Then what is the answer? And so on. If you continue again 1 we get, no, that's fine. 0.0909090909 and so on. Then what is the answer? Then I am writing one more. Once again the question is 1 by 11 is equal to 0.0909 and so on. Then what type of decimal expansion it is? There is no end. That's why non-terminating. What type of expansion it is? Non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. Repeating decimal expansion, non-terminating, repeating decimal expansion, like this. Okay, like this we have nearly 6 questions are there to convert. First you given question, you convert into do division, and for that answer you give your comment. This is the first model question. Afterwards I am taking these decimal expansions, non-terminating, repeating decimal expansions I am taking, converting P by Q form, So much concept is there to discuss about non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay, let us see now. Okay, sir. See this, and once I am taking non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal I am taking. There's some concepts are there here to discuss. That's the reason why I am taking non-terminating. Non-terminating, there is no end and so on. There, that's why there is no end. And recurring, repeated part is there, repeated portion. One portion is repeating periodically. That's why non-terminating, repeat, recurring decimal I am taking. For this, what is the things to discuss is, for non-terminating recurring decimals, for the repeated part, we are using bar. We can write this one 1.25252525. For this example, we can also write 1.25 bar. So we are using for the repeating part. So what part is repeating? For that we are using bar. Under the bar we are writing that repeating portion. 1.25 bar. Okay. Now here two more points are there. What is that? Period and periodicity. Period. What is period? What is period means, under the bar what a portion is repeating, and under the bar what is the portion, and what part is repeating, that is period. Here what part is repeating, what a portion is repeating, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, that is, then 25 is period, 25 is repeated. Next, periodicity. Periodicity. The periodicity means, in the period number of digits, and number of digits are repeating. That means in the period how many digits are there, under the bar how many digits are there, that is periodicity. Then periodicity is 2, period and periodicity. Don't forget period and periodicity. Periodicity, CY. Periodicity 2. Okay, now I am giving some more examples. 0.235 bar for 5. What is period? 5 indicates bar is there for 5. That means 0.23555555555. Then repeated part is 5 only. Then period is 5. Periodicity, number of digits 1. Period 5. Periodicity is 1. Periodicity is 1. One more example. 0.238 bar is for overall. In the decimal expansion, bar is there for all the digits. Then this is pure recurring decimal, pure repeating decimal. Here bar is there for only some. Some are not repeating. Only some digits are repeating. Then this is mixed recurring decimal. This is pure recurring decimal. Okay, let us come to this. What is period? What does it mean? 0.238 bar means 0.238, 238, 238, 238, and so on, and so on. Instead of and so on, we are using this bar, and then we are not writing dots. Okay, not writing dots. Then what is period? Period is 238. Periodicity. What is periodicity? Is 1, 2, 3. Only 3 digits are repeating. Periodicity is 3. Okay? Clear? Already you know this, I think in 7th class. Period and periodicity. That's it. Now, sometimes some students are writing like this. 0.25 bar and dots. Is it correct explanation? We are using bar instead of writing in an etc. and so on. No need. In these two, only one enough. This is enough. 0.2. It indicates 0.25252525 and so on. For that one, we are using bar. What is the period? 25. Periodicity 1, 2. 2 digits. 2. Okay? That's it. Now,